y'all. So today, right now, we are going to open up a Diamond Art Club T90 image. T90 is tiny, tiny. It is one of their itty bitties, and I'm really interested to see what this one looks like. I have not even taken this one out of the cellophane cover yet, the wrapping, because I wanted to do it with y'all. Some of my more recent unboxings, I'd already taken it off just for time, but not this one. Not this one, because I'm scared, folks. I'm scared. It's little. It is so little. And I'm really worried about the details, so I wanted to see it with you. Here it is. You see it? Let me get you focused in here. It is High Street Cats. It is a square shaped drill, and it is a 30 by 20. Yeah. Scared. Scared, folks. I'm scared. I am scared of if it's going to be pixelated. I think that's my biggest concern. Okay, Ginger said that there is a breathe hole right there. Found it. That is like such a helpful hint. There's a breathe hole when they shrink wrap these suckers. So, okay. The directions are on the back. So I don't know why they have to have the directions on that slip of paper inside them. If you have never gotten a Diamond Art Club, you are new to diamond painting. Well, first off, welcome to the addiction. Secondly, yeah, you could wallpaper your house with these pieces of paper. You'll see in a second. All right, if you're new, let me shake it. There we go. Haha. Oh, wait, that's a new printing. That's a new printing. That's cool. Okay. They call it a magic applicator. That's cute. So you get a clear drill pin. It's right there. It has a spout. You get baggies. You get a clear tray. You get a blue drill pin with a blue squishy. 2 heart-shaped pieces of wax because they tell us they love us. All right, yeah. Okay. Put that over to the side. Now, if I could just open it. It's kind of early here. It's kind of early. I'm working on finishing a cup of coffee right now. Okay, so first off, let's get that out. Yeah, there's the piece of paper. See, this is wasteful. This is wasteful because these are the directions. Let me turn them around. These are the directions on the box. Please, 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 Diamond Art Club, stop putting that piece of paper in there. Put your website on the side of your box or something. All right, so I'm going to turn my head and I'm going to roll it like Stitcherista because I love that. I love that she does that. And yes, I'm stealing it, and I'm going to tell you I'm stealing it, and I don't think she really cares. I really don't. So, all right, you ready? You ready? You ready? Because I get to look at it when you look at it. So here you go. There. Well, that's unavailable. Now. Okay. All right. I'm looking at the detail. I'm giving you a chance to see it far away, and I'm looking at it through the viewfinder or the view of the camera that I can see. Don't hate it. I must say, I don't hate it. It has 25 colors. All right. Okay. I think it's going to turn out pretty good. I like this detail in the back, like, so it's not just all flat. Because if you see, and that's one thing I do look at, I look at what does the picture look like compared to the canvas. Does this picture match this picture? Let me bring you down here, and then I'm going to have to manually focus in. Try to straighten you up a little bit too. So let's focus in, get down a little bit further. There we go. So as you can see in the picture, it looks like, I guess, the wallpaper behind them is kind of got, you know, it's not flat. It's different colors. And as you can see, they've done the same thing here, which I like. Now, you see this? This is a good canvas. This is clear as day. Absolutely clear as day. Now, I don't know. Let me bring you over here. I do not know how these stripes are going to translate compared to these stripes, but it is a square diamond painting, so come on. I'll give it to it there, but at least it does have the blue stripes on the green cat. I like the colorful cats. I love their faces. They have some great eyes too. Look at them. So I'm expecting a lot of like off-whites and some very vibrant colors. I guess we will find out. Ooh, goodness. I don't know what that was about, but fix yourself, fix yourself. There we go. I'm glad they did this darker line right here. The 939 is dark blue. Just to distinguish this cat from like the blue cat and this blue over here. This purple cat from the blue over here. So I'm liking how they did that. The black is, of course, the eyes and the whiskers and the smile. Okay, let's get into these beads. This, oh my goodness. This has a born on day of April 11th. That's cool. All right. Now, with it being so small, you really only need one schematic. And I like the placement of it. I like the fact they kept it large enough. And just so they didn't have to put this piece over here. Because they could have shrunk this down and put this and this on the same side. And I'm glad they didn't do that. I'm glad they didn't reduce the quality of the size of their color list just to fit everything on one side. I do appreciate that. Oh my goodness. Really? Oh, there is that bright, bright red. Is it? Nope. That is 817. I'm surprised. I thought that would have been 666, but there is no 666 in here. Hey, surprised me. Okay, this red is 817. That is beautiful though. All right, 939 is actually a dark blue, but it does look black. 798 blue. Oh, my pretty purple. I think this is Ginger's favorite color. It is a beautiful purple. This is a hot lime neon green. There's a pretty green and another purple. That one's pretty too. Green, orange, yellow. I think that's a dark blue too. And then that's kind of like an indigo and a bright green, kind of a peach skin tone. Blue, there's your black. That's all the black you get. That's it. That's it right there. Magenta. Like another peachy color. Orange. These two like look so close. I mean, look at them. They're barely a shade different. But that is how nicely this is going to be blended. Because I guarantee you 951 and 739 are in the background wallpaper kind of thing. Then there's some more peachy color and orange, a blue, kind of a white. There's a friend visiting. I bet he goes there. I bet he belongs there. And then there's this really pale pink. Where does this really pale pink? Oh, it's in the background too. Okay. Well, all right. That is nice. 951. No, yeah. 951. That's in the background. 739. That's also in the background. So yeah, these kind of pale peachy sandy colors, those are blended very well together to make this background. This is cute. This is really cute. All right, so let me move that. Fight with this for a minute. Try to get it all back together. I'm just saying. Somebody needs to do a tutorial on properly bagging these things. We're gonna try it like this. We're gonna try it like this. Really? Stuck to itself. I think I'm getting good at this, at least putting them in the bag. Folding them, yeah, it's hit and miss. Putting them in this bag, I got that. All right, so let me bring you on back up here with me. Boy, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna roll this back up. Oh, in case you didn't see. Oh, what? It's a very shimmery canvas. It is definitely sticky. It is DAC. You expect nothing else from DAC but a good, nice, clear, shimmery, sticky canvas. I promise. And if you don't get a sticky canvas, then you need to call them because they have awesome customer service. Okay. Set. Kit. It's not cooperating. These things are, they can be difficult. They really can. Sometimes it's easy to put them in first, and sometimes you gotta fit them in after you put in the canvas. There you go. That is Happy Street Cats. And Lord knows I got enough happy little street cats around my house. That's probably why I got this one. I love my cats. All right, guys, I am headed out, and have a great day. And until I see you again, bye, y'all.